What's up, guys? Doing a little bit more POV driving for you. Headed our way to Wrap Your Ride. Let's see how this sounds. Not too bad. But we're going to go see a 600 LT McLaren in Mauve Blue over at Wrap Your Ride. I think they're going to be doing a wrap on that. We already did a Mauve Blue 720S in satin paint protection film, so it'll be interesting to see what they end up doing. The car is beautiful. The color is insane. And it's hard to pronounce too, so that's how you know it's good. We're gonna get some video and pictures of that. The super secret Wrap Your Ride entrance here. Let our friendly neighborhood bikers go by. So let's see if the McLaren's here. There it is. Hoping y'all can see that. That sun looks incredible. That purple. Oh man, that color is wild. That is insane. Well, let's take a look, guys. Oh my God. This color, man. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Rainer.
I'm Jay.
Dude.
I like your color too.
Yeah. Hey, dude.
I like it.
That one,
Mauve and blue though.
Is that the same one we did with the satin PPF on it?
Yeah, it's a mauve and blue. So I mean,
wow.
it's crazy, man. I mean, I actually can kind of see a little bit of that blue though.
Oh yeah, no, I can too.
Like, when I start looking at it really deep, it's like it has to be a reflection of something.
When the sun hits it just right,
I feel like it's like a little, I feel like it's the
little
blue
touch of blue.
When you put your like polarized sunglasses over it,
oh, yeah.
like the purple just goes crazy. The silver wheels.
Polarized sunglasses on when we do the window tint. He's like, man, there's these lines, and I'm like, yeah, you're wearing polarized glasses.
This looks incredible.
Bro, 600 LT is just sick, man. I mean, honestly, to me, it really is one of the best drop cars that we're gonna fix that for him.
Okay. It took what? Yeah, 14. Yeah, to get it actually here.
Yeah, bro, we're actually gonna start a McLaren club here too.
Here you go, man.
There's no fucking clubs here.
Yeah, you can pop it open. Yeah.
Everything here too. And it's like, I love this. Oh, dude, it's insane.
It's like when
the yellow. Yeah, no, it is. It's completely nuts.
Like most of the dash doesn't have any of the color match anything. It's just so.
I've never seen that top lip. This top lip right here. I've never seen it be colored other than like stitching. It's really strange.
The color, man, is I would say this is in my top 3. Lambo. It would number 1 for me would definitely be Viola Pastel.
Oh yeah.
Number 2 for me would be.
This thing is beautiful. Just that purple. Stunning.